everybody, Paul here. It's a really windy day by the ocean here. I'm going to do a little lichen tour with the 10 times magnification loupe here. Check out this golden yellow lichen growing along this 150-year-old stone wall. Bring you in close here. Vibrant yellow gold colors, thriving in the moist shoreline environment. Check out those deep orange and yellows, golden yellow in the crevices here in the rock. Check that out. Let your mind go on an amazing voyage as you explore the unique and strange world of lichen. Thanks for watching, everybody. Share this video with your friends who are into exploring the magical world of lichen up close and personal through the 10 times magnification loupe. See you guys real soon. Have a great day.